Start by positioning the new vanity in its final location and confirming level and stud alignment before any permanent fastening. Measure the space and mark stud locations on the wall so you can anchor the vanity securely. A 2" by 4 stud with wood screws every 12 inches works best for stability. Before connecting plumbing, confirm the drain stub out and water supply shutoffs are accessible and match the new sink fittings. And if the supply lines are older, replace them with braided stainless lines for durability. Dry fit the sink and faucet to the countertop, tighten the faucet, and assemble the pop-up drain while the unit is accessible, then set silicone bead around the sink rim to seal once you lower it into place. When fastening the vanity to the wall, screw through the cabinet back into studs using corrosion-resistant screws and check level front to back and side to side. Shim under the base where needed and trim shims flush after securing. For water connections, turn on the supply slowly and watch for leaks at the compression fittings and tailpieces. Tighten a quarter turn at a time to avoid damaging threads and run the faucet to clear air and test drainage. Finish by installing black hardware with consistent torque so knobs and pulls sit square. Mount a matching mirror centered over the sink at eye level and add layered lighting above and flanking the mirror for balanced illumination. The 3 most common mistakes are poor stud anchoring, misaligned plumbing, and inadequate sealing. If the vanity is not anchored to studs, it will shift and fail. Locate studs with a reliable stud finder and use long screws into solid wood. Plumbers see leaks when supply lines or drain fittings are cross-threaded or loose. Hand start threads, use proper washers, and test under water pressure. People forget to seal the sink rim and seams, which leads to water damage. Apply a continuous bead of mildew-resistant silicone and smooth it so water sheds away from the cabinet. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners find trusted local contractors and to help contractors connect with work opportunities in their area. We also host an active discussion community where users exchange tips, ask questions, and share project photos and product experiences.